Welcome to another video. Now we are playing Minecraft. Okay, it looks like the mix of two elements. Oh, this just got to be. I'm gonna do some ice boot racing. I would pick a boot of my style. So I'm the
Kulang po tayong first batch to sabay-sabay ng
Everybody hates
kung
my
bayad
boot.
lahat.
I'm the free.
Lagi naman cashier 20 na cashier.
Okay lang yung sabi mo. Hindi tayo sabi.
I can't even ride the boat. Terrible. Ice boat. I'm terrible. I'm terrible. I'm so terrible. I am terrible at ice boats. Okay. This is why nobody likes. This is why I never do ice skating racing. Look, I'm trying. Well, that's good.
Pasok na nakasama dun eh. May kasama ko pasok. Hindi nakikinig ko sa
Let's do some satisfying stuff.
tatlong lang yun. Tatlong pila, napaikot-ikot.
Hindi na sana ka ng pagkain. Hindi ko pwede na natawalan. Hindi ko na
I'm gonna use this properly. I'm gonna change my camera.
Dami ata ako gumagamit.
Dito kung tawag ka, may delay eh.
Ano yun?
Oo. Ilang seconds muna bago ka na-risk, bago ka tayo na-ulit.
Hindi pa kayo na-stolen dito. Sabay lang po. Dalawang tapos na. Ano kayo pag na-stolen? Hindi na lumitin alam.
Sabi niya nga, sabi niya, kayo na, nakukuha na
Hello.
siya. Gusto niya yung chance. Do you enjoy shopping?
Okay, now this Minecraft is. As you know, guys.
For you. Fire, bag, and socks.
Of course, guys, you know that water can break soul torch or
Ay, may yun.
back.
66,000. Mas baka may performance po.
Yeah, but it's every single thing. It's literal. I'm using a real block.
So, yung pag nag-performance po ako.
Okay.
Hindi tayo baka makatay na.
Jolo,
What
what do you want to buy?
My bag, of course.
Ha?
My bag.
Ano pa? You want any clothes?
Nah.
Socks, right?
Brief.
Panty na lang.
Huh? You want?
Are you recording ba?
I'm dying.
Selfies mami. This one is arms. This one is arms.
I'm a Minecraft pro, guys.
Yes, 500?
Doon.
alis mo. Kasi dati ko lang dito eh. Pinabili ko na dati.
Okay. Yeah, bring my calculation. Yeah. So you're telling me that water can break a torch, but not dripstone? How? That is no mind of physics. And now you're going to be telling me that one dripstone ritual kills a torch? No. That's real. I'm Rachel. Ha! Okay. Now let's go to a village.
Ano pala ako nagpumila?
Guys, I forgot to turn on cheats. Okay. I don't need cheats.
Ba't parang yung pila? Yung ganda sa kabilang side.
Always steal. Always steal.
Kasi nakita ko yung mga araw eh.
Ang paalis mo yun. Kanina doon.
Hindi ko sabihin, dahil sisipin na lang palit-palit.
Dapat ako na lang po na.
Diba? Pipila ko, nandun pa lang yung pila. At yung kumawa ng ano ba? Hindi ko mga first batch, tayo first batch eh. Dapat ko tayo, dapat tayo tayo eh.
Oo, kasi
Hindi nakabol na sa mga lahat na ayun ba, last affair na to.
sunod malaki na sila.
Ito talaga? Ang dami ko.
Kasi ako ba, doon pa rin, hindi mo natin na black. Strong. Ang gana.
Tumuli yun.
May sarili kang pasan. Apartments.
Ang sa'yo pang UFC yun.
That's here. Unexpected. Structure underscore of. Growth rate greater than structure underscore of less than.
I'm making a pattern note so I know where I go. Can you turn off my phone?
Pinapay ko kasi yan yung kaya ito na ko. Pinapay ko na ako. Sirain ko na din.
Mas mo ba na mas kaliter ka na lang? Silupin mo na lang.
Notice that just has to be so rare. This is too rare. Oh no, this is
Dali mo na kay like cheesy.
Look, it has go back sa ilalim.
The real one.
Nah, I'm visual. Okay, we got some sand. But we're lucky.
Hindi parang sa inyo.
Meron mga pants na sana maganda kasi sport siya.
Pero mas maganda yung fair dito kaysa sa Raptor.
Okay, so I'm gonna teach you how water road racing.
Ganda ng beddings talaga.
How does water road racing?
Ano ko, diba?
Pero ganda eh. Sa Eugene dati yung kay Bel, wala na yung brand.
Okay, maganda.
Kasi meron naman yung
Yung Joey, mga travel trip. May nakabox. Wala yung nakabox.
No Trail.
nabili na. Nabila pa natin.
Terrible.
Kahit ka, nabila.
Sige na.
practically nakaupo ako.
Nasa face.
Sige pa na siya. Sabi lang ko, ilang oras na ako.
Hindi siya makalikot eh. Diyos na.
Do that again.
Dito. Iya ko din.
Okay, let's start destroying here. Just gonna light up this TNT. Gonna need some redstone.
Diyos na.
Okay, wait. Crap. That's fine, right? Well, we're just gonna make a part 2 of this one. Please subscribe and